Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get the Dropbox Black Friday offer. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So Dropbox Black Friday offers typically involve significant discounts like 20 to 30% off annual plans for individuals who are plus professionals, and then teams like standard and advanced make yearly subscription much cheaper than monthly, with savings seen on higher tier like advanced for large teams and professionals for freelancers needing extra control, often featuring extra storage or features bundled in. To get these deals, watch for announcement in the November. Look for the email offers and then compare annual and monthly pricing for the best value on plans like plus, professional, standard, or advanced. Clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.